Welcome back! Today, I'll show you how to make a delicious homemade spiced tomato preserve. It's rich, flavorful. Step 1. Preparing the tomatoes. Start with 1 kilogram of ripe tomatoes. Wash them well, then cut a small X at the bottom of each tomato. Blanch them in boiling water for about 1 minute until the skins start to crack. Now transfer the tomatoes into cold water. Peel off the skins and set them aside. Step 2. Making tomato juice. Chop the peeled tomatoes and blend them into a smooth juice. If you like, strain to remove seeds. Step 3. Preparing the spice bag. Take a clean piece of cloth and add whole spices like cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, garlic, and a piece of ginger. Up securely, this spice bag will give your preserve a warm, aromatic flavor without leaving spice bits behind. Step 4. Cooking the preserve. Place a heavy cotton pan on the stove and pour in the tomato juice. Heat gently over medium heat. Add the spice bag, 150 grams of sugar, chili powder 30 grams, black pepper 1 teaspoon, and a little salt to taste. Keep stirring until the sugar dissolves and the sauce thickens. When a spoon leaves a clear path at the bottom of the pan, it's ready. Your homemade spiced tomato sauce is ready. It will keep for weeks and is a perfect way to add homemade goodness to your cooking anytime. Step 5. Bottling and storing. Remove the spice bag and discard it. While the preserve is still hot, Pour it into sterilized glass bottles or jars. Seal tightly and let them cool before storing. And that's it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple homemade recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!